Have your eyes been feeling a little different lately? Maybe it's harder to focus, reading takes more effort, or things seem slightly less clear, especially in the evening. It's easy to dismiss these changes as normal aging, but what if they're actually the early warning signs of something deeper? Here's the truth. Your eyes, especially the retina, the fragile layer at the back, don't signal damage the way other parts of your body do. There's no pain, no redness, no obvious alarm. Problems build silently, and by the time you notice significant changes in vision, some of the damage may already be done. That's what makes age related vision loss so dangerous. It doesn't just affect your ability to read a book or watch TV, it can slowly steal your independence, your confidence, and your connection to the world. But here's the good news: you're not powerless. There are natural, gentle ways to support your vision as you age, and it starts with something simple: food. In fact, just 3 tiny seeds have been shown to nourish your eyes from the inside out. No expensive supplements, no side effects, just real nutrients that work quietly but effectively. In this video, we'll reveal 3 powerful seeds that support eye health, reduce inflammation, and promote hydration, especially important after the age of 60. Let's get started with the first and perhaps most underestimated seed of all. After the age of 60, the eyes begin to experience changes that are easy to ignore at first, but dangerous if left unaddressed. You might notice dryness in the afternoon, increased sensitivity to light, or trouble reading small print. But beneath the surface, something more serious could be happening. The retina starts to weaken with age. Blood circulation slows down, inflammation becomes more common, and the production of tears decreases, leaving your eyes feeling tired, gritty, or even itchy by the end of the day. What makes this even more concerning is that the retina has no pain receptors. So while other parts of your body alert you when something's wrong, your eyes stay quiet, silent. By the time vision loss becomes obvious, it's often already advanced. One of the first areas to suffer is the macula, which controls your central vision, the part that helps you see faces, read, and recognize colors. As it wears down, everyday activities become more frustrating. Driving at night gets harder. Screen glare becomes overwhelming, and contrast fades, making everything appear a little duller. But here's the good news: most of this damage is preventable. With the right nutrients and simple habits, you can support the health of your retina, macula, and tear ducts naturally and effectively. So, what can you do today to protect your vision tomorrow? Let's start with one small, powerful seed that can help fight inflammation and nourish your eyes from within. Chia seeds may be tiny, but when it comes to eye health after 60, they pack an impressive punch. Often tossed into smoothies or sprinkled over oatmeal, these small black seeds do much more than add texture. They deliver real nutritional support for your aging eyes. One of the most powerful benefits of chia seeds is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, or alpha linolenic acid. This plant-based omega-3 helps reduce inflammation inside the retina, the delicate tissue that processes everything you see. Inflammation is one of the biggest contributors to age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss after 60. Supporting this tissue with anti-inflammatory foods can slow down the damage and help maintain clarity longer. But chia seeds don't stop there. They're also loaded with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 compounds commonly found in high-end eye supplements. These antioxidants act as protective filters for your eyes, shielding them from damage caused by blue light, sunlight, and general oxidative stress. And if dry eyes have become part of your daily routine, chia may help with that too. When soaked, chia seeds form a soft gel that supports moisture balance in the body, including tear production. Even better, chia is easy to digest and unlikely to interfere with most medications. You don't need to take a pill, just mix 1 teaspoon of soaked chia into your breakfast. It's a simple, affordable step with long term benefits for your vision. Now that you know how chia supports the retina, what about central vision, the part that lets you recognize faces and read clearly? Let's move on to the second seed that strengthens the macula and supports sharp, detailed sight. By the time most people reach their 60s, dry, irritated eyes become an all too familiar part of daily life. That gritty, scratchy feeling in the afternoon, the burning sensation while reading, or that tight pressure behind the eyes after a long day. These symptoms are not just annoying, they're signs that the protective tear film on your eyes is breaking down. Fortunately, there's a simple natural food that can help rebuild that moisture barrier. Sunflower seeds. Often overlooked as just a snack, sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that plays a vital role in protecting the eyes from oxidative stress. Over time, sunlight, pollution, and even indoor lighting can damage the delicate cells of your retina. Vitamin E helps slow that damage, preserving your central vision and reducing your risk of macular degeneration. But it doesn't stop at antioxidants. Sunflower seeds are rich in healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats that nourish the tissues responsible for producing tears. These fats help stabilize and rebuild the tear film, keeping your eyes comfortably lubricated throughout the day. No drops required. Even more, sunflower seeds provide minerals like selenium and magnesium, which help relax and open the tiny blood vessels that feed your eyes. Better circulation means more oxygen, more nutrients, and more resilience to age related decline. Just 1 tablespoon of unsalted, shelled sunflower seeds a day sprinkled over yogurt or blended into a smoothie can deliver these benefits without disrupting your routine. And if you have difficulty chewing, you can grind them into a powder to mix into soft foods. So, if you're tired of dealing with dry, strained eyes by evening, sunflower seeds may offer a surprisingly powerful solution. Now, let's talk about how to make all of these benefits stick with a habit that's so easy you'll barely notice the change. Knowing which seeds protect your vision is one thing, but the real power comes when you turn that knowledge into a habit, something so simple and consistent that it becomes part of your day without effort. You don't need to overhaul your diet, buy expensive supplements, or commit to a complicated routine. In fact, just 1 small spoonful of chia, flax, or sunflower seeds per day is enough to start supporting your eyes from within. The key is consistency, not perfection. You can rotate them or combine them depending on your needs. Chia in the morning for moisture and inflammation. Flax midday to support your macula and digestion. Sunflower in the afternoon to combat dryness and restore circulation. There's no one size fits all plan, just small steps that fit naturally into what you're already eating. Sprinkle them over oatmeal, stir into yogurt, blend into smoothies, or even mix into soup. Each seed offers unique benefits, but together they create a gentle routine that supports every layer of your eye from the retina to the tear ducts. Start small, 1 teaspoon a day. Listen to your body, increase slowly as needed, and always check with your doctor, especially if you take blood thinners or manage chronic conditions. The most important thing, stick with it. These seeds work quietly, gradually strengthening your vision, reducing inflammation, and helping your eyes stay clear and comfortable day after day. Now, let's wrap up with a quick reminder of what matters most and how these small choices can protect something as precious as your sight. After the age of 60, protecting your vision isn't just about reading fine print or driving at night. It's about staying connected to the world, remaining independent, and preserving your quality of life. And the good news? You don't need to rely on pills, procedures, or pricey supplements to do it. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones: a spoonful of chia to calm inflammation, a sprinkle of flax to support sharp central vision, a handful of sunflower seeds to soothe dry eyes and restore circulation. These are small steps, but when done consistently, they become quiet, daily acts of care that support your eyes for years to come. So don't wait until symptoms get worse. Start today. Add these seeds to your routine in a way that works for you and let them work in the background, helping you see the faces you love, the pages you want to read, and the beauty that's still unfolding around you. If this video gave you a new idea or reminded you how powerful simple choices can be, please give it a like. Leave a comment to share your experience or ask a question. We always read them. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Guide for more natural, science backed tips to help you stay strong, independent, and thriving. You deserve clear vision. Let's take care of it together.